Hi guys, this is my client Grace's before, and I'm going to show you how we transformed it from that to that. She was set on chopping her hair off, so we went ahead and did a rough cut first so we don't waste any money or product, and then at the end we will perfect it. I'm going to clip the front out of the way and section the back off. So we're going to section her hairline on both sides, including the middle. From ear tip to ear tip, we're going to split that section in half, and that section that I just dropped, we're not touching at all with any color. Moving our way to the front, I'm just going to section her money piece and the sides out, and then we're going to start in the back. We're going to start here in the middle, and I'm not going to do any weaving. I'm just going to do a slight tease, and I'm going to try to get as close to the root. Working our way up each section, we're going to do a weave and tease method, and I do about 5 to 6 foils on each side. Even if you're doing a partial on your client, it is very important to do this section so when clients pull their hair up, it's blonde and you don't see a black hole anywhere. Once you finish those back 3 sections, we're going to move our way to the front money piece, and the reason why I do this section first is because the hair around the face is finer, so I want to use the lowest developer, which I'm using a 7 volume developer, but once I'm finished with the whole application on my client's head, I rinse these immediately. So right here, I'm just showing you the sections that have been done and that we still have to do. That braid right there is that section that we are not touching, but we're gonna start with the top sides and then do the back 2 sides, and then you're done. Once you finish the hairline off, we're going to move our way up to the top sides and do the back last. So this right here is a comb, and we're going to do a comb through method. This allows each individual piece of strand to open up, and I'm going to retouch it with bleach so it can lift faster and everything is even. And now we're working our way in the back. flawless post-treatment and to brush out the teas. This is everyone's favorite part. So now I'm going to do a root melt, just a very itty bitty one because her hair looks so good already. But I used 7N and 7NA. As the root melt is sitting on, we're going to go ahead and tone her, and I used 9P, 10P, 9V, 10VV, and 9M. So as we finish up, I'm gonna go ahead and with the cut, and it's very, very important to detail someone with so much hair going short. Oh, it looks so good. But the cut makes like all the difference too.
So good.
Subscribe.
I know, yeah.